amazing. I mean, it's it's not like in real life where you see the Blue Angels doing the acrobatics, and there's a lineup of pilots representing numerous organizations. But hey, still, it's cool. Whoa! Hey, these people definitely know. They know how to fly. That's a marvelous job in VR. Let me head over there. We hurry up and. Oh, okay. This is where everybody's sitting at. Yay! Fabulous. Oh, look at them. They're dressed like the Blue Angels. Oh my God! Whoa! This is great. Oh, folks, I find myself at Virginia Naval Air Station, Oceana, Blue Angels. I did a review of this world several months ago, and this is hosted by the Jackknives Talent Show. Okay, capacity for 50, and there's almost 40 people. And I have been, like I said, I have been here before, but it wasn't an air show. So this is, oh.
It's crazy. Okay, so I'm assuming that the air show is over with that whole thing.
Don't know. I don't even know where Florida is.
Uh, uh, well, looks like you got man over there. Yeah, you got Man King right there coming up towards us.
Yep, okay. I don't know what road it is. I think I had him friended, but he just seems to have disappeared.
Well, I mean, it was good while it lasted.
Guys, yo, wait. Audience. We're thinking to release a surprise for everyone. So yeah, it's gonna be. Where's all the audience at?
Yeah, no, I'm down. I'm down for that. This is fantastic. I had a good time.
Yo, wait. Listen, I'm sorry. We didn't. We didn't train well. The first event was better, but we tried our best. You know, these guys are kids. Hey, you're my number 3 replacement, bro. You got this.
My number 3 replacement.
No,
honestly, I wouldn't have
listen,
really.
I'm 32 years
Yeah,
old.
it's
These
fun.
guys are like
You're not
13-year
32.
kid.
You are not
32.
32.
I'm serious. I was born in February 10th, 1993, bro. Wait, I'm old.
Right?
Listen. I'm sorry.
Hell nah.
These guys are
You're
kids,
graduated
so
high school.
it's kind of hard to get them in line sometimes, but
I know it's all
Honestly, I wouldn't have known the
yeah.
9 years before
I just assumed that's part of the show.
We see the mistakes because we do this a lot, but you guys, of course, not gonna see it because you know, just like an artist will draw something. He sees the mistakes, but the audience won't see that. You know what I mean?
I feel what you mean. I feel it
I would
so
like to present
hard.
something.
I'm
I would like to
sorry.
present a piece of information.
It's okay. No.
Listening to the comms the entire time.
But real quick, Potato Gab is the owner of this world. These guys, they're the main A1s.
Okay.
So these guys are good.
Look,
Way
listen,
better.
listen. We were listening to the
Fantastic.
comms, and to be honest, I really liked the way that you were trying to get your team to, you know, to get serious about it. So honestly, I am looking into a future replacement, and if we
I'm
ever want
down.
to take 3 at some point,
in.
shit. Yeah, but
That's your
it
half
takes
brother
some.
now.
Hey,
yeah.
That's your half brother now, Yoki.
I still got some time. I still got some time on the team, you know. But we'll see. You know,
I got you, bro.
I'll friend you.
I'm just
I'll
trying
friend
to
you
teach
so you
these guys to have respect.
Hey,
you know what I mean?
Hey,
But
Oh,
I
yeah,
don't
thank
wanna
I
you.
started there, man.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
started
You're
there,
professional.
man.
You're a real professional, man.
It's the dog.
You did your best. You did your best.
We'll fly sometime. You know, if you catch me flying, I'll be on blue, and then at some point, you know, we'll get our skills up. I can teach you some stuff about wing. If you fly left wing, then I can teach you some stuff, and you know, hopefully get you integrated with the team. But I really like the attitude during comms. It was really good. I really liked that.
I am a leader, not just in this VR stuff. I am also a leader out in the world. Like, I am a manager, you know.
I can
So
tell, I can tell, man. I can
I
tell.
know how to
Yeah,
deal with this kind of stuff, you know.
I can tell. But
I do
oh yeah,
appreciate
guys,
it,
good
LP.
job.
But then again, guys, if you guys
Sure.
want to see some real, this is the deal right here. These guys.
Wow.
If you haven't noticed, Potato Gab's name is right on the world. He's the creator of it, you know. And these are guys that were original. They allow me to have it. And
The world's
now this is
fantastic.
Jackknife. This was his event. This was his event.
Oh, what's up, man? What's up?
All we did was
Oh, yeah.
like I always tell him
Nice
like,
to
bro,
meet
if
you.
you want us to fly for you,
Nice to
give
meet
you,
you,
you know,
man.
your advantage, so we could do that, you know.
Yeah, if we ever have events, I mean, if you, I think I invited you to the.
I'm so excited.
I think, you know, we have public practices all the time, and then with air shows, we're hoping to have more. But I mean, our Discord and everything is there for whoever wants to follow. We're gonna have VIP flights, so we're gonna have private practices at one point with number 7. So that number 7 has a back seat, so whoever wants to fly and applied for pretty much like for a VIP ride in the back of it, you know, during one of our practices, you guys can do that, but that comes towards the future. But yeah, on the Discord there's everything, you know, air shows, marketing, TikToks, YouTube practices with comms and everything you guys can see. So make sure you support. And yeah, and if you ever host an air show, yeah, you can bring your people to one of our air shows. So that'll be awesome. Do a collab.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's gonna be great to watch.
If I can have everyone's attention for just a second. First of all, let's give it up
Master
for,
Chief.
for putting on an amazing show.
These guys have
Yay!
Snowflakes. Show your love with snowflakes. Show your love with
An amazing
snowflakes.
show.
Come on. Let them know. Let them know.
Yeah.
This August, I will be putting on a talent show where top 3 winners will get cash prizes.
What I missed.
Staff and contestants will be opening up shortly. If you're interested, or you know anyone who's interested, join my tell the person who's interested to join my group. And there's a link to the Discord, and that's where all the applications are.
Okay, and let's enroll ABAT in the talk
Thanks.
show.
All of you have a
Skull, Aoki. I need you all as my friends. Not everybody.
Yeah,
I mean,
Oh, this is a good show. This is fun.
we're on the BA. I mean, you see us all the time, so if you see me there flying,
I see everything about you guys, bro. I see all y'all videos. Everything.
So I'm assuming that was it.
Yep, I've seen 2 of them.
Everything.
Oh, ask him.
We just got done.
So for now, the show is over.
Potatoes are well created.
Okay.
How you saw